Holidays are over. It's resolution season. Healthy without boring. Gyro chicken that hits hard and needs no sides. Adjust the seasoning to your taste, and if you like me, add a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little extra kick. Quick check-in. This is why this works for resolution season. It's big flavor, one pan, and it keeps you full without needing a side. And look how simple this is. Chicken, onions, tomatoes, yogurt, and spices. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let's meet back here next week so we can keep the New Year's resolution going. Before you go, tap like and subscribe for new recipes and watch my other videos on the screen for more quick Mediterranean meals with easy cleanup. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Until the next episode, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.